Ever wonder why we hiccup? And more importantly, why do we make that weird hic sound? It starts with your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs. When it suddenly spasms, your vocal cords slam shut, creating that classic hiccup noise. What sets it off? Eating too quickly, fizzy or alcoholic drinks, stress, or even a sudden temperature change. Most hiccups vanish in minutes, but they can last sometimes for more than hours leading into days. If it reaches over 48 hours, that could point to something more serious. So best to check in with a doctor. So now you know. Hiccups aren't random, they're your diaphragm misfiring.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to enjoy being idle sometimes. And most importantly,
It won't let you remember.
sorry.